Yes.
Are normally conducted by the National
Yes.
Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon every Wednesday.
Yes.
If there is a threat of
New Orleans require weekly tests.
to the next available good weather day.
My recom and my alert words actively connected.
The warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more
Holy
noticeable at greater
11
distances
a.m.
from the
on
transmitter,
plate.
can occur even though you are using
Let's
the
go, New
receiver
Orleans.
in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings from the following counties in Mississippi: George, Hancock, Harrison, Jackson, Pearl River, and Stone. The Gulfport NOAA weather radio system is equipped with an additional service called SANE. SANE is short for Specific Area Message Encoder, which activates special receivers in only the county desired. These are the 10 a.m.